Hello, Zero the whole world. Again, it's Luandile here, the leader and the instructor of Manikwe School. Okay, right now I'm about to give out a second solution on this exercise here, number 12. Okay, ideally we are required to calculate the factorial of a given number n. Okay, of course that number is gonna be retrieved from the user. Okay, remember before, if you did check out my previous solution, I mentioned the fact that you would have if you did check out my previous solution, you would recall that our solution did not do well. You see, matter of fact, it gave us a runtime error if we input a negative number. So first we want to do here, we can avoid negative numbers by using the ABS method. ABS, that stands for absolute. Again, for those of you who are familiar with math, this is an absolute value of a given number. Okay, so I'll simply go number is equal to ABS, which is an abbreviation for absolute value of what? Of this number, the one we're gonna retrieve from the user. So enter a number. Okay, once I'm done doing that, I'll go factorial. Again, people are buying. Anyways, let's continue. Factorial is equals to, I'm gonna initialize my factorial value to 1 so that even a number like 0 will be taken care of, because 0 factorial is 1, right? So for n in range number, starting from number going all the way up to 0, we're decreasing by -1. Okay, we'll simply go factorial is equals to factorial multiplied by n. Okay, this is gonna be pretty much it, you guys. There's literally nothing to explain here, and if there's any confusion, feel free to let me know down in the comments. Factorial. Okay, this is our second solution in this exercise. Now let me hit the run button and see what we get. Hopefully I did not mess up, because that's what I find myself do every once in a while. Okay, it seems like we have a working solution. 3 factorial is that. Let's try number like 7. You see, -7 will be turned into 7 factorial. Okay, so essentially our program gets rid of this negative sign. Okay, that's gonna be it for this tutorial, you guys. I can keep checking and checking and checking. We'll keep getting correct answers. Okay, that's gonna be it, you guys. I'm wrapping up now.